In this stretch tutorial, we're going to be looking at a double Soleus stretch on an exercise step. But of course, you can do this on a step that you have at home, the stairs, or whatever. Now, this is one of the really advanced variations of doing a Soleus stretch. So if this hurts the knees or it's a little bit too much, I've got plenty of Soleus stretches that are a little bit more kind in this variation. Remember, this is a really advanced stretch. So firstly, what you're going to do is, if you're using an exercise step like me, we want to reduce the chances of injury. So I'm going to be having both my hands against this wall, because this whole stretch is about stretching out my soleus and not testing my balance, or especially not getting an injury. So what I'm going to do is I place both my hands on the wall, and I'm going to bring my feet into a position where both are pointing forwards, and my heel and my midfoot on both of my feet are off the exercise step. So if you're using a stair, for example, you'd be in the exact same position. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually bend both my knees, both left and right, whilst bringing my bum back to the back of the room. So as I bend my knees, bum comes back, and as I come down the wall with my hands, I'm now in a position where I can feel both my soleus completely stretched. So to get into that position, I've had to come really low and abrasive there. If that's a little bit too complicated, or you don't trust your knees, you don't feel like you quite have the strength for that, there's plenty of other variations. However, it is a good time-saving exercise to get both stretched out at the same time and then move on to the other stretches you've got. Let's walk through it again. Hands on a wall or fixed object. Both of my feet are on the step up. Here, I've got my heel and midfoot off the step up. I bring my knees forwards as I bring my bum back until I feel the stretch and hold for my desired amount of seconds and my amount of sets that I want to do. That's how to do a double Soleus stretch on an exercise step.